Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add business or widget using plugin in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write Royal Elementor add-ons and templates. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see Royal add-ons, so click on it. So we are in widget section and then you see multiple widgets. So we are going to use business widgets, so enable. Now you see business or. Now go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Now in search widget write business and then you see business or widget, drag and drop. So this is Royal add-on. So this is default layout. Now you see Monday, Tuesday. Now expand it and then you see day, time. If you want you can close this like this, Sunday closed, enable this option. Now you see Monday closed, so it's up to you. So you can add according to requirement. Now you see add item. Now scroll up, you see style, so click on it. Now you see day color, time color, close color. So you can set color scheme according to requirement. Now scroll up, again go to content and then you see predefined style. So we are going to import template with business or widget. Now click on it. Now you see multiple templates we have. Now click on insert. Now loading and then scroll down. You see template edit with business or widget. Now you see layout. Again click on it, business or, so you can add day and time according to requirement and then click on update. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.